If there's one car that Puerto Ricans love, it's a Toyota Tacoma. You don't believe me? Finally out and about and just running some errands for my parents-in-law. I'm gonna take my mother-in-law to look at the beach, and we've noticed quite a lot of Tacomas here in Puerto Rico. I think they're fans of the Toyota Tacoma pickup truck, and not just any Tacoma, it's the TRD Sport V6. And it makes sense because, you know, there's a lot of rain and hurricanes and all that stuff, so you need a 4x4 to be able to get out of them flood waters and stuff. But it's just like every 2 minutes you'll see one pass by. So much so that I want one now.
What did you get? Capurria?
I got an alcapurria, and I don't remember what it's made of. I know it has beef inside.
It's just beef. They had crab, but you don't like seafood, so.
No, but I forgot what this stuff, it's, oh, plantain. Plantain's made out of plantain. So it's basically mashed plantain, shaped into a tube, and fried, deep fried. For all you deep fried treat lovers out there.
Good stuff, huh? It's been a while.
Greasy, and savory. So what is bacalaíto?
It's cod and flour and herbs and garlic.
Yeah. I've actually seen them much bigger, right? They come in bigger sizes?
I don't need anything bigger right now. It's like dangerous. Every time we come here, we gain at least 10 pounds, and then we have to drop 10 pounds in Chicago. Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Sí, es un...
Eso es un canto coral. Sí.
Ah, sí, por todos lados.
Sí, es un canto coral.
Qué bonito.
Sí, hay muchas de estas. Antes tú coleccionabas.
Sí, antes, ¿te acuerdas?
Alright, so yeah, so the beach is pretty empty, and just came here to take a break from just being stuck in the house, I guess. My mom had not been out for a while. But now we're going back to the house. See you there. This is clearly the job for you, man. Yeah, I'm not very good at this. Have you ever peeled yuca in your life?
I've never peeled yuca in my life.
We usually get it frozen. Peeled and frozen.
Now I know why.
Okay, we need a peeler. I don't think a peeler works on this. This is like wood. We're making pastel de yuca, which is like a yuca lasagna or something like that. We're gonna pair it with the turkey, so we'll see how it goes. So, what are we making?
So we're just making some seasoned butter because we don't have like herbs or spices, so it's not compound butter. Just a little bit of salt, some garlic and stuff, and we're gonna put it under the skin of the turkey, so it just, I guess, remains moist. And the times that we've done it, it's turned out pretty well. So let's keep that tradition going.
Yes. How's that feel?
Feels gross.
You sure?
It's the worst part of doing this whole turkey. For me, at least. kind of woke up a few hours ago.
A few hours?
Yeah.
A few minutes?
Yeah, a few minutes.
What time is it?
It's like 1 o'clock, and Maria woke me up at 8 to put the turkey in the oven, which we did. We used an oven bag. I've never used an oven bag before, and I think it turned out pretty well. I mean, for not knowing how to use the oven bag, there's a lot of liquid in there.
Yeah, what are you gonna do with this liquid?
I don't know. I haven't thought about it that far.
It was crispy,
Yeah.
or it looks crispy. We also make coditos,
Macaroni
just
salad.
macaroni salad, because we didn't feel like making rice. We've been eating a lot of rice.
Pumpkin pie might be ready for tomorrow.
The pumpkin pie is ready.
I think so.
So this is the pastel de yuca. We'll take it off. Is the oven off, or it says bake? I clearly don't even know how to use the oven in my own home.
And now we're ready to eat.
Ready to eat.
Aquí está tu tía. Aquí está una tía tuya que se llama Titi Pepiña. Por ahí está Pepi. Mírala ahí.